Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy share on Degiro. First of all, go ahead and log into your Degiro account. For that, type in trader.degiro.nl/login, and that's going to take you to the official webpage, which is going to look something like this. Option that says login, enter in your login credential, and login into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So basically, you'll have to go and select deposit/withdraw located in the top right hand side. As you do that, you'll be able to see the menu. So from there, you have to go and select the buy button, and after that you need to select the asset that you wish to buy and make sure that you have enough funds or that you've already added a payment source and all that. Enter in or provide in all the information and click on place order. Next, you'll be asked to review all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then go ahead and tap on the place order button or confirm the transaction, and you'll be notified that you've successfully bought share on Degiro. So in this way, you can buy share on Degiro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.